Hey guys, it's Rachel here. Thank you for tuning into this video. This is going to be a short grocery haul of what we got. We went to Walmart today, and no, Walmart is not sponsoring this video. We're just going to go through and show you what we have, why specifically we got it, and I guess what made us go to Walmart. So if you want to see this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and stick around. We just got these Pepsi and Dr. Pepper in 24 cans in each. I got the Dr. Pepper and Coke got the Pepsi because I always steal the Pepsi. So now he gets to have his own Pepsi. And then we're also contributing with water also. So we have a few of these. We got 2 of them, but Novelle's eating one of them right now. And then we have the 2 Paw Patrol and one of these. It's just a lot easier while I'm at work. Then Colt can go ahead and give Novelle something like that at lunchtime if I'm not home by then. Then he doesn't really have to make anything. It's just so much easier. Then we got the kale and spinach blend. And I guess it was saved 51 cents. We're not exactly sure why. We're assuming that it was going to go bad soon. Oh, yeah, it says January 5th, 2019. But I'm sure we'll use that whenever we make our taco salad, so that'll be cool. And then we got this Mexican-style 4 cheese. It's just a 1-pound bag, but we figured if we got a lot, because like we said, we were going to make our taco salad that I make. It's just a bigger bag, then we have extra left over, so we don't have to worry about it throughout the rest of the month. And then, as part of the other refrigerator items, Colt got a little baked potato soup. It was just from the deli section in Walmart. And then he got the broccoli and cheddar soup. And it says that there's about 2 servings in there roughly, but I won't eat these. He can have them. I've never really preferred either or, even when I worked at Tim Hortons. So those are all his, if he'd like them. Which he really enjoys the soup, so. And then we went into the noodle aisle, or the pasta aisle, and I got some teriyaki rice. I really like this stuff, but I can't eat it all the time because it's kind of tangy, but I'll eat part of it. I don't know if Colt's actually going to eat that with me, but he might. I don't know. Then we just got the 2 boxes of Goldfish because they were like $2 per box, and it was actually pretty nice. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. I'm doing this while Colt's on the couch and the dog's out there with him. Then we got some ciabattas. We really like actually having ciabattas. I like the fact that I can do it, use it with my chicken, and I really, really like it. I actually like drown in it. Not a lot of people care for it that way, but I do, so that's okay. Then we just got a skinny caramel macchiato and pumpkin spice latte. This is just so I don't spend a lot of money at work. When I buy a coffee, like a cappuccino or something at work, I work at a supermarket, it's $1.29 per day. I've been taking in water, but every now and again I do need my coffee. So I figured I could either water these down and shake it up and just put it in the fridge for now, or I could make ice cubes every morning and just put a bunch of ice cubes so it's watered down so it's not so caffeinated, because I stick to decaf. But I always water something down if it's not decaf, or I just completely dilute and go half and half for the bottles. I just can't have decaf because I get really jittery. And then we got this Rising Crust chicken bacon ranch sauce pizza. I saw it, and for some reason I had a craving, like I had to have it or something. So we got this. It's our first time trying it. Hopefully it's good. I'm hoping. And then we just got these for Novelle. Just another quick snack. And then over here is, we have a few produce items, and then we have some meat. We're going to go over the produce first. We just got a small pack of bananas, because you can't go wrong with bananas, especially with a baby and whatnot. Yellow pepper, again, for our taco salad. A red onion for the taco salad, or what else we need. The grape jelly and the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce is actually for my meatballs that I'm going to make. And we also just got 2 packs of the 2-pound meatballs. I'm making them for our Christmas party for Colt's side of the family that we're having on January 14th. So, and it's a crock pot special, so maybe I can make those also and show you. My mom used to make it. It's her own recipe, so it's pretty nice that I know how to make it now. Especially, you know. And then we got some meat. Just this pack. We're going to freeze it, though, unless we make taco salad. Are we going to make taco salad tonight? Okay, we're making taco salad tonight. Then I've been seeing a lot of people are using the ground turkey, and I honestly have never had it before. And I was very confused. If somebody might be able to tell me. I didn't understand how ground turkey doesn't come with steroids, but then beef does. It was a weird situation, but I was told that this is actually healthier for you than regular beef.
Most beef farms use steroids in their animals. Turkeys don't.
Okay, Colt said it's because most beef farms use steroids for their animals and turkeys don't because they're natural. Oh, they're free range. That's why. Okay, anyway. And then we just got the boneless, skinless chicken breast. I did see this, and normally, and it's individually wrapped, ready to cook. So that's pretty cool. But normally, I've been making like meal preps where I just bring our meats home, and then I will separate it myself, wash my hands in between, put whatever I need to around it so that it's good. But this is actually easier for me because then that saves me time, which is awesome because when you're a mom and trying for another one, it's kind of hard and tiring, especially when you're working also. And Cole's at work when I'm home, so I'm sometimes by myself, and having 2 cats and a dog plus the baby, it gets kind of chaotic. Okay, so now these, the oats and chocolate, I get these every now and again, but the oats and chocolate, hence the oats, is for my breast milk supply, so that I don't dip, because around my menstrual, which I'm currently investing with, I have an issue where I dip my supply a little bit by accident. Like, it's just the hormones that are in my body that are doing it. So I got these ones for that. And then these are just for, like, extra for in the morning for a snack and whatnot. And then, of course, Colt wanted the cinnamon brown sugar ones. He said he knew what they were because his mom used to get them. So I hope he really knows and he's tasted them. Otherwise, I might eat them because I've never had them before. But anywho, yep, that is our grocery haul. We spent about $134. And again, that was at Walmart. So we didn't do too bad. We did pretty well. And we go to Walmart. Normally we go to Walmart every time that we do get groceries. Sometimes we don't. Sometimes we do. It just depends, I guess, for the month of what exactly we need, because our supermarket that we have about 20 minutes away from us doesn't have much of a variety. And there's longer, bigger aisles in Walmart. So, and we like to drive too. It's kind of nice. So, but if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And just leave some comments down below, any questions I might be able to help add to you. And I am actually working on a couple more videos for you guys at the moment. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.